Guys, in this tutorial we will install ps5 dynamic theme on ps3. This is the theme file, link is given in the video. Watch complete video so you don't miss the link. Make a new folder and rename it to ps3. Inside ps3 make another folder and rename it to theme. Remember to write all in capital letters. Now we will copy this ps3 folder to USB. Format USB to FAT32 file system and copy the theme folder. Then connect USB to one of the ports of ps3. Switch to ps3. Scroll to theme option and we will select the install option. Scroll down the USB and click the theme file to install. After that we will apply the installed theme. Thanks for watching. If you like the tutorial, please do subscribe the channel and keep supporting. Bye for now.